like to tell you about our SM7 Concrete Grinder. And this is purpose-built for grinding concrete. You see it has this ergonomic handle which allows the operator to work fatigue-free on the surface. And it also has these mounting brackets built in for our optional floor grinding trolley. And you see it's a anti-vibration mounting, so you can see there's some flexibility there, and that isolates the operator from fatigue-causing vibration. And the dust skirt is also on a spring suspension, which allows it to follow irregularities in the work surface. And when you need to go up to the corner, the half moon door releases, allowing the grinding disc to reach right up to the edge, and it just pops right on. And then also you have a swiveling dust port, which allows you to attach your vacuum cleaner, because this type of machine should always be used with a vacuum cleaner. Now the motor is 2,200 watts and has very useful variable speed, which includes power feedback speed stabilization, soft start, and overload. Here, mounting to the grinding trolley, you just put it in place and line up the fasteners and start the thread, screw it in. Alright, next you take your cable and wrap it up so it's out of your way. Plug it into the socket. And next, engage your vacuum hose on this hook and plug it into the machine. Adjust the height to a comfortable working height. Okay, lock on the switch. And now this will be our on button.